Hello crazy coders. In this video we'll continue our discussion of why Java is so popular and why it has been on the top of so many popularity charts in terms of programming languages. And as I said, we will go through four aspects of these programming languages. We have done that. We have gone through history, philosophy, market, power and market. All these videos will be all these links, all the videos and the links of these videos will be available in the description, also on the I tab. You can check them out, but I will give a brief summary, which is in the history section. We talked about the creators, the name convention, the origin story and the timeline of various important events in the Java language. In the philosophy section, we talked about the definition and all the terms in the definition. We talked about the execution system, which makes Java platform independent, and also talked about the principles and also the philosophy, which is object orientation, platform independence, dynamic capabilities. In the power section, we talked about all the 8 domains where applications can be developed with Java, and some of the most popular applications that are used worldwide which are built with Java are these. In the market section, we talked about the type of companies which hire Java developers, type of companies, list of companies that hire Java developers frequently. We talked about the average salaries with pay scale and Glassdoor. We also talked about the salaries for experiences and salary among companies, so do check this out. And also the release of Java 18, we talked about that. And in this video, let's begin. First of all, in this video we'll conclude on our four video series on why Java is so popular. So the first reason, according to me, is platform independence. One of the biggest reasons why Java is so popular is platform independence. Programs can run on several different types of computer without change of execution, so that's very beneficial for any software developer. The second reason is community. Java is backed by large online community of developers, which forms the pillar of this programming language. The community not only eases Java learning at beginner, advanced and expert levels, but also works diligently to enrich Java functions. Third reason is it is free of cost. As best things in life are free, Java is definitely one among them. It is a blessing for individual programmers who can freely access Java under Oracle binary code license. This Java is free to use for development and test environments. However, one need to pay small fees if used for commercial purposes. But having such an amazing technology, well-regulated technology free of cost, is an amazing thing. And the fourth reason is object orientation in Java programming language. There are extensive library of classes that help developers to build and wide range of applications and programs. Java also facilitates developers to create, reuse and recycle codes, which accelerate productivity and reduce development time. So this reusability and the closeness towards real world, and also the well implementation of this object orientation makes Java so popular. So the summary video of our 5-part video series can be summed up into 4 concepts, which is platform independence, community, object oriented, free of cost. So thank you for being the part of this series. If you have liked such video, then do show your love by liking, subscribing and hitting the bell icon. Comment down below if you want to know more about any particular programming language. The next series will be on JavaScript, so do subscribe and thank you for watching.